Hello, my dear beloved viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I have to give the solutions for the academic textbook, especially for the chapter integration. So, that last part 9 continuation, exercise 6C, Roman number 2. Evaluate the following integrals. Evaluate the following integrals. First one, integral x power n into log x. Integral x power n into log x dx. So here, first of all, you have to select which is the first function and which is the second function. So that should be select as the order of the letters of the word isolate. Isolate. So in this one, I means inverse trigonometric functions, L means logarithmic function, A means algebraic functions, T means trigonometric functions, and E means exponential functions. So if you observe in this problem, what are the two different functions? Here, what are the two different functions? Let I is equal. Here, if we observe the given problem, what are the two different functions? Here, two functions will be there. One is log x and another is x power n. So, log x means L. Next, x power n means algebraic. Which letter comes first? L. So, you should consider this as first function. Remember this one. Again, you have to write like this. Okay? So, here f of x, always we have to consider the first function. Okay? So, f of x is equal to log x. For first function, what you have to do? Simply derivative, differentiation. So, f dash log x derivative 1 by x. Next, for the second function, here second function is x power n. So, for this one, what you have to do? Simply integrate. Here, always for the first function, you have to find differentiation. And for the second one, always you have to find integral of that function. So, x power n dx. What is the integral of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, first of all, you have to separately evaluate these two. Okay? For the first function, derivative. For the second function, integral. Therefore, here, integral of, what is the formula for by parts? F of x, g of x, dx. So, first function into integral of second function, first function into integral of second function minus integral of differential coefficient of first function into second function integral of second function. So, this is the formula for by parts. Integral of f of x g of x dx is equal f of x into integral of g of x dx minus integral of f dash x into integral of g of x dx whole dx. So, first function into integral of second function minus first function derivative into same thing. So this is the formula. So always you should put inside the box. So therefore I is equal, you see here f of x, g of x. Okay, f of x. What is f of x? Log x into integral. What is the integral value? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, minus integral of, next here in this one f dash x. What is f dash x? 1 by x into same thing, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 dx. Okay. So if you observe here, x power n plus 1, here x power n plus 1, here x is there. That means here x power n into x power 1 by x. That means x power n into x by x. X's get cancelled. So ultimately, what is the simplification? X power n 1. So finally, here x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 as constant. So remaining one here x power n dx. X power n plus 1 by x. X power n plus 1 by x. Or a power n by a power n. Okay. So we have to obtain only x power n. So for x power n, what is the answer? Integral here x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 into here for x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Finally, we have to take this as common one. So final result is, if you consider this as common factor, so finally x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 as common factor in both this one. So finally we have to obtain log x minus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this is the final result for this given problem. Okay. So whenever log x is there in any one, consider it as first function. So you have to select which is the first function accordance as the order of the letters of the word I late. Okay. So this is the solution for this one. Okay. Next, second one, log of 1 plus x square dx. Second one, log of 1 plus x square dx. So here if you observe log of 1 plus x square dx, log of 1 plus x square dx, second one, integral log of 1 plus x square dx. So for this one, simply let I is equal log of 1 plus x square dx. 1 plus x square dx. Whenever only single function logarithm is there, or sin inverse x, or cos inverse x, or root of a square minus x square, or root of x square minus a square, or root of x square plus a square. For these functions, only you have to choose the second function as 1. To evaluate for the logarithm functions only, just you have to consider the second function as 1 unity. So for this one, here log of 1 plus x square into 1 dx. Always you have to choose the second function as 1. To evaluate such integrals, just you have to select the second function as unity. Okay. So here clearly f of x. Here f of x. F of x is equal log 1 plus x square. So for this one, derivative. What is the derivative for log? 1 by x. So 1 by 1 plus x square. Again for 1, 0. X square, 2x. So finally, what you have to obtain? 2x by 1 plus x square. So for this one, derivative is f dash x is 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay. Next, g of x. Here, g of x. G of x is equal to 1. So integral of g of x dx is equal integral 1 dx. Integral 1 means x. Okay. So here, this is the function. So integral of f of x dx. Okay. This is the as this formula. No change this one. Okay. Now, according this formula, now I is equal. Come on. What is the f of x? F of x means log. So log 1 plus x square into integral. Integral means x minus derivative. What is the derivative? 2x by 1 plus x square into this one x. Okay. So 2 is constant. So x into log of 1 plus x square 2, you can come out from the integral. So x into x square, x into x gives us x square. Now if you observe the denominator, 1 plus x square is there. If you keenly observe the denominator 1 plus x square is there. In numerator only x square is there. In denominator 1 plus x square, in numerator x square. That means what you have to do here, 1 plus x square is. That's why just adding 1 and subtract 1. Add 1 and subtract 1. So next step, x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into integral 1 plus x square minus 1. So with the help of denominator, we have to rewrite the numerator as adding 1 and subtract 1. So if you separate these two, what you will get? Here, I have to erase this one. X into log 1 plus x square minus 2 into integral of 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Or simply minus 2 into. Okay. Okay. Next. So if you observe, this will get cancelled. So x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into here 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So final one, x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into 1 integral x 1 by 1 plus x square 1 by 1 plus x square integral tan inverse x. So this is the solution for log of 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Root x into log x. Root x into log x. Root x into log x. Third question, root x into, third question, root x into log x. So, let I is equal root x into log x dx. But always first function is log x, so you have to rewrite log x into root x. Okay, log x into root x. Okay, so here f of x, here f of x is equal log x. So derivative of this one f dash x, log x derivative 1 by x. Next, again second function g of x, root x. For the second function, what you have to find? Integration. Always for the first function you have to find derivative. For the second function you have to find integration. Okay. So g of x dx is equal integral. G of x means root x. So what is the integration of root x dx? 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. X power 3 by 2 means what? X into root x. X power 3 by 2 means x into root x. How can you get this one? X power 3 by 2. That means 1 plus 1 by 2. That means x power 1 into x power 1 by 2. X power 1 into x power 1 by 2. That means x power 1 by 2 means root x. So x power 3 by 2 means simply x into root x. Okay? X into root x. Okay? Next. Now write down the formula. Integral of f of x into g of x into dx. Okay? Is equal first function into integral of second function minus integral of f dash x into integral of g of x dx. Okay, this is the, always you should write the formula. In integration by parts, always you should write the formula for by parts. Okay, and put in box. Always put in box. Don't forget this one. Okay. Next. Now I is equal. So f of x. First one f of x. What is f of x? Log x. Log x into integral of this one. What is the integral value? 2/3 into x root x. 2/3 into x root x minus f dash x. What is f dash x? 1 by x into 2/3 into x root x. 2/3 into x root x. So x get cancelled. So 2 by 3 is constant term. So just came out from the integral. So finally 2/3 into x root x into log x minus finally here 2 by 3 is constant term. So 2 by 3 into root x dx. Only for the sake of simplicity only you have to rewrite as, instead of x power 3 by 2, just you should write x root x for the sake of simplification. Okay. So finally here 2 by 3, this is nothing but x power 3 by 2 log x minus 2 by 3 into, here root x integral 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. So take as common this one, 2/3 x power 3 by 2 as common factor, x power 3 by 2 as common factor. So finally you got this as the result, final result for this one. Okay. So whenever logarithmic function is there, just simply always you have to consider it as first function. Okay. Next one. Fourth question, e power root x dx. Next. e power root x dx. E power root x dx. E power, fourth question, integral of e power root x dx. Solution. Okay. Let I is equal integral of e power root x dx. Okay. So, keenly observe this one. What we have to find? Integral value of e power root x dx. What is our known one? Integral of e power x dx. What is the integral of e power x dx? E power x. For the e power x function, integral value is e power x. So, but here in place of x, what is the function? Root x. So, in place of x, other function is there. Just you have to put that other function other than x. Just you have to put that it as t. So, remember here instead of x, what is the function? Root x is there. So, just you should put root x is equal t. For e power x only, our integration is e power x. But in place of x, other function is there. So, root x is equal to t. So, 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x, 1 by root x. Okay? Right. So, finally, dx is equal 2 root x. Okay? Here, root x means t. So, dx is equal 2t dt. Dx is equal 2t dt. Okay? Therefore, I is equal integral e power t and dx is equal 2t dt. Dx is equal 2t dt. So, 2 is common. Here, t into e power t dt. Remember, always highlight. This is the word always you should consider. Which is the first term, which is the second function. Remember, here exponential function always should be second function only. Why? Because that should be in the last word. So that should be in the last alphabet. Okay, in this word. So second function. So here f of t is there, but no problem. This should be here. Just you should write the formula. No problem with respect to x or with respect to t dt. But just we have to integrate directly. No need to write f of x and f of t and g of t. Just you should write 2 into, what is our first one? What is the first one? T into integral of second one. Okay. Minus integral of first one derivative. First one derivative 1. Next into integral of e power t dt. So dt. So 2 into t into e power t, because integral of e power t is e power t, minus 2 into, so remaining e power t dt. For this one, integral value is e power t. So simply here 2 into t into e power t minus 2 into integral of e power t. So finally 2 into e power t as common. So t minus 1. So 2 into t means root x. T means root x. Okay. So just you have to, no need to write separately f of x and g of x. If you know thoroughly, so directly you have to write down this integral value. Remember, always for the first function you should find differentiation, whereas for the second one always you should find integral value. Remember, first one derivative, for the second one integral. Okay. Just if you know directly, no need to write this step. Directly you should write this one, no problem. Okay. So ultimately this is the result. Okay, this is the fourth question. Next, fifth question. X square cos x. Integral x square cos x. Integral x square cos x dx. Integral x square cos x dx. So let I is equal integral x square cos x dx. Here this is algebraic function, this is trigonometric function. Okay. So what is the word isolate? So in this one a comes first, algebraic function. So same one. Okay. So write down the formula. Integral f of x g of x dx is equal f of x into integral of g of x dx minus integral of f dash x into g of x dx. Okay. Here f of x is equal x square. F of x is equal x square. So here you should write f of x is equal x square. So derivative for this one is x square derivative 2x. Next g of x. G of x is equal cos x. So integral of this one is nothing but for cos x integral sin x. For cos x integral sin x. For cos x integral sin x. So I is equal. So f of x means cos square. Integral value cos x. For the cos x integral sin x. Okay. Minus x square derivative 2x into integral value sin x. Totally dx. So x square sin x minus 2 into again integral of here minus 2 into integral of x sin x dx. So x square sin x minus 2 into s first function into sin x integral minus cos x. First function into integral of second function. Integral of second function sin x integral minus cos x minus integral of first function derivative 1 into as is minus cos x dx. Okay. Directly you can evaluate. So finally you see x square sin x minus 2 into minus x cos x minus plus integral cos x to dx. Okay. So here x square sin x minus plus 2x cos x minus 2 into cos x integral sin x. Cos x integral sin x. For cos x integral value sin x. So simply here this is the result for the given x square cos x. Integral of x square cos x dx. So this is the result. Okay. So just you have to consider what is the first function and what is the second function. So for the first function just you have to find derivative, and for the second function just simply you have to find integral value. Okay. Next question number sixth one. Same x square into sin x. X into sin square x. X into sin square x dx. You see, x into sine square x dx. This is the problem. X into sine square x dx. X into sine square x dx. So let I is equal x into sine square x dx. First of all, you have to observe the given one. X into sine square x. For x, okay, no problem, derivative. What about second function, sine square x? We don't know the direct formula for sine square x. For sin x, integral value is minus cos x, no problem. But here sine square x is there. So for sine square x, we don't know the direct formula. So for that one, just what you have to do, write down the sine square x formula in trigonometry. In multiple submultiples, sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here, sin square x. Sin square x means simply 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Remember, for cos square x, if you here in your problem, if x cos square x is there, just simply for cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x by 2. This is the formula you have to use to evaluate such integrals. Okay. So simply what you have to do, x into 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Okay. That means if you separate this one, what we have to obtain? X into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. 1 by 2 cos 2x dx. Okay. So finally here integral x by 2 dx minus 1 by 2 into x cos 2x dx. Okay. So here 1 by 2 into x dx minus 1 by 2 into here first function into here first function into integral of second function. Integral of second function. Okay. మీకు ఇంకా కూడా ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్. ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ మైనస్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ 1 ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ cos 2x dx. Totally with respect to dx. Okay. So next here totally here 2 into okay 1 by 2. Okay. So finally here this is the total. Okay. So 1 by 2 into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 into x into cos x integral sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2. Okay. Minus integral here this is also same sin 2x by 2 dx. Okay. So finally x square by 4 minus x by 4 into sin 2x. Here 2 into 2 4. So x sin 2x by 4. Okay. Minus minus plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x integral minus cos 2x minus cos 2x by 2. For sin 2x, the integral value is minus cos 2x by 2. So the ultimate result is, final result 1, x square by 4 minus x by 4 into sin 2x. Again here minus 1 by 8 into cos 2x plus c. Finally, we got this solution for the problem x sin square x dx. For x sin square x dx, this is the solution. Okay. So, suppose the same problem will be given like this. Actually, in this textbook, problem is not there. But whenever in our examination, if the question appears means, just what you have to do. So, extra question. X into cos square x. X into cos square x dx. X into cos square x dx. So x into cos square x dx. So cos square x formula 1 plus. Just you have to write down plus. Here before this one plus. Only before this one plus. Here this is only plus. So plus into plus plus. Okay. So plus into minus minus. Integral of this one. Minus into minus plus. So simply this is the result for this one. For cos x cos square x. For x cos square x, this is the result. So remember, these are the two pairs of problems. X into sin square x dx and another one x into cos square x dx. So these are the two problems. Same model. Okay. Remember, here we have to use the by parts formula. So we should mention that formula. At least here, at least finally, you should mention f of x integral f of x g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function minus, so first function derivative integral of second function, like this. At least finally you should mention this one. Okay, remember this one. So don't forget to mention the formula which is to be used to evaluate such integral at the end of the problem or here also. You should mention here also which formula is to be used. Okay, remember this one. Okay, next. Question number 7. Yes. Sorry. Here, 7th problem is there. Given. This is the 7th problem. 6th problem is x into sin square x dx. And 7th problem is x into cos square x dx. So this is the 7th problem solution. Okay. Yes, problem is given. Next. 8th one. Cos root x dx. Cos root x dx. So previously what we have to do for e power root x? Put root x is equal to t. Why you have to consider? We know the integral value of e power x dx. Here also cos of root x. We know the formula for cos x. Here 8th one integral cos root x dx. So here let I is equal cos of root x dx. Okay. So know what you have to do. Simply we know the formula for cos x. Integral of cos x dx is equal to sin x. So in place of x, root x is there. Just put it t. Some students may think for single function, second function is 1. Second function considers 1 for logarithmic functions and inverse functions only. And root of a square minus x square, root of x square plus a square, like this. Whereas here, don't put the second function as 1. Just you have to think the original formula. So here, put root x is equal to t. So root x derivative 1 by 2 root x dx is equal dt. So dx is equal 2 root x dt. That means 2t dt. Therefore I is equal cos t into dx means 2t dt. Actually I late. Okay. In this one, here this is algebra and this is trigonometry. So algebra function is always considered first function. So write down like this. T into cos t dt. Always consider the first function is algebra, because the letter A appears, okay, before t. Okay, this is the first function. So here same thing, just you should write down 2 into first function into integral of second function integral of second function minus t derivative 1 into integral of cos t dt. Okay, into dt. Okay. Now here in this one, just you should write simply f of x dx, no problem. F of x g of x dx is equal first function into integral of second function minus integral of first function into second function integral. Okay. So you should mention the formula. You should mention the formula. Okay, wherever it may be, no problem. So finally here 2t cos t. 2t cos t. Okay, minus 2 into integral cos t dt. Okay, because okay, separately we should write, no problem. So 2t into cos t minus 2 into integral of cos. Integral of cos. What is the integral of cos? Sorry. Here integral value of cos t is sin t. Integral value of cos t is sin t. Sorry. Here integral value 2 into t into cos t integral sin t. Cos t integral sin t minus here this is nothing but sin t. Okay. Sin t. Okay. So 2 into t sin t minus sin t integral minus cos t. Okay. So finally substitute in place of t means root x. Root x into sin root x minus of minus plus cos root x. Cos root x. Here first function into integral of second cos t integral sin t minus first function derivative 1 into integral of this one. Okay, same. Now here separately you have to evaluate integral of cos t means sin t, same one. So again integral of this one is minus cos t. Okay, so this is the final result for this problem. Okay, next here x into secant square 2x. Ninth one, x into secant square 2x. Same for this one also. Find integral sin root x dx. Same one we have to evaluate. So next, ninth one, x into secant square 2x. Ninth one, x into secant square 2x dx. X into secant square 2x dx. Okay. So here let I is equal x into secant square 2x. X into secant square 2x. Secant square 2x dx. Okay. So here I let. So this is algebra formula. This is trigonometry formula. So algebra formula considered as algebra function considered as first function. So here this is the first function, this is the second function. Here f of x is equal to x. So derivative of this one is nothing but 1. Next g of x is equal secant square 2x. So integral of this one is nothing but secant square integral. Secant square x integral tan x. So tan 2x. Again quotient of x. We have to divide always with the quotient of x. Okay. Now write down the formula. Integral of f of x g of x dx is equal f of x into integral of g of x dx minus first function f dash x into same integral g of x dx. Integral g of x dx. Okay. Therefore I is equal here put in box Always you should put in box this formula. Okay. So what is the result? F of x. F of x equal to x. Integral value tan 2x. Tan 2x by 2. Okay. Minus f dash x. X derivative 1. Okay. Into tan 2x. Tan 2x. When you evaluate separately, it is very convenient, more easily. Okay. X by 2 into tan 2x minus 1 by 2 into tan 2x. Now, what is the integral value of tan x dx? Log of modulus secant x. Here 2x is there, divided by 2. So, here x by 2 into tan 2x, x by 2 into tan 2x, x by 2 into tan 2x, minus 1 by 2 into log of secant 2x under modulus by 2. So, final one is x by 2 tan 2x minus 1 by 4 log of modulus secant 2x plus c. Okay, this is the solution for this problem. Okay, next 10th one, x cot square x. X cot square x dx. X cot square x dx. Cot square x dx. Okay. X cot square x dx. Okay. So you see same one, 10th one. Integral of x cot square x dx. Okay. So let I is equal x cot square x dx. Initially, in the problem x into cos square x or x into sin square x, we don't know about the formula for directly for sin square x and cos square x. That's why you have to use trigonometry formula. But whereas we know the cot square x integral minus cot x minus x. For tan square x, same one. Whenever tan square x is given, next tan square x means tan x minus x. So here f of x is equal to x. So f dash x is equal to 1. Here g of x is equal to cot square x. So integral of cot square x dx is equal to minus cot x minus x. Suppose tan square x is there, just simply tan x minus x. Okay. Now here this is the simple one. Here I is equal to write down f of x. F of x means x. And here what is the integral value? Minus cot x minus x. Minus cot x minus x. Minus next f dash x. Derivative 1 into minus cot x minus x. Put in bracket. Okay. So minus x cot x. So here minus plus cot x dx plus x dx. Okay. So finally minus x cot x plus log of modulus sin x plus x square by 2 plus x square by 2. Simple one. Plus x square by 2. So certainly. So that's why just you have to keenly observe which is the given function. For that one, whether we know the direct formula for it or not. Just you have to keenly observe. It should be known for us or not. If it is known for you, just directly go to the formula. Okay. So suppose extra bit here x tan square x is not there. So extra bit here suppose tan square x tan square x dx. So tan square x dx. So here this is tan square x dx. Here this is tan square x dx. Okay, here simply tan x minus x. Here this is nothing but tan x minus x. Same one. Here tan x. Here tan x minus x. Here also same tan x minus x. Here also x tan x minus x square. Okay. Minus integral of tan x dx minus into minus plus x dx. Okay, so x into tan x minus x square minus log of secant x minus log of secant x. Okay, next plus x square by 2. X square by 2. Here in previous one just I had to leave it, but whereas here minus x square and plus x square by 2. Here minus x square plus x square by 2. That means minus 2x square plus x square by 2. That means finally minus x square by 2. Minus x square by 2. So in the previous one also just plus x square is there. So here x tan x. Finally for this one here minus x square by 2. Minus x square by 2. Here minus log modulus secant x. Just you have to simplify this one. In the previous one also, here simplification is not given in the final step. Just you should write the final step in the final one. Here in the final one, what is the previous one? X into minus cot x minus x minus of minus plus. Here cot x. Okay. Here plus x dx. Okay, for x what we have to obtain? X square by 2. Here minus x square by 2. Okay, so minus x square is there and plus x square is there. Same, you should write the same one. Okay, minus x square by 2. So finally for the previous one minus x cot x. Finally minus x square by 2. Here log of sin x. Okay, in the previous one, here simplification is required. X into minus x square by 2. So, minus x square and x square by 2 gives us minus x square by 2. Okay? So, these are the two different problems. In examination, it may appear. Any problem may given. So we are ready to solve the given one. Okay. So up to 10th one over. Next already in the previous one 11th question already over e power x into f of x plus f dash x. So one formula you should remember, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash x. So whenever in the inner function derivative of 1 is readily given. So whenever sin x and cos x is there, sin x derivative cos x. So directly you should write e power x into f of x. So these type of problems already have to explain in the previous video. So 11th one over, 12th one over and 14th over and 17th over. So remaining problems I have to explain in the next video. Okay. So, if you really like this video, just give one short like for me. At the same time, if anyone not subscribe my channel, immediately you have to subscribe it and click the bell icon. Because whatever the videos I have to release, that should be on bell icon means whatever the videos I have to release, those should be appear in your YouTube. Okay, directly into your, you have to get into your mobile. Okay. Also one more, if you really favor this one or if you really think about this video is useful for the remaining one, that is your well-wishers and your neighbors. Just please share it now, this video. Okay, and also please give me your heartful comments regarding this video. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you.